update. I am 1 week late on this update. However, I still want to get it out because it's the top of the year. I'm offering new things that's gonna take off in the new year, and I just want to make sure I do the recap and show you most of the things that kind of went exactly as I stated and how I have it, written down in stone. And these are the things that people that subscribe to the service will be getting, and people that do my mentor course and so on. But let's get right into it. So we had those 12-12 swings, right? And the one I put in there was Microsoft. And I was saying I love this play for the week. I believe it's very fairly easy. Like, some plays are just easy. You can't mess them up. And then some plays it'll play with your mind a little bit. And those are not hard. And I always tell my students, like, find easier plays. When they ask me to look at tickets, I'll be like, come on, look at this price action. Find something easy. It's like 1,000 tickets in the world. Find the easiest ones. Like, it's easy money. We make it complicated. But anyway, I had this on watch for the week of the 12th, and I was saying that if we could get that buy spot at 253, 256, that would be the perfect entry. But don't rush on this play to the downside, but expect the upside retest. More explanation in the video. So I put that video out with the plays before everything happened, and we just gonna go through really quick what Microsoft actually did, and we put this out on the 12th. So let's get my let's get my vertical. Let's go to the 12. So I think that's right here. I changed up my colors because I'm working on them to see what I want to release. Okay, so it was the heck on the 12th. Sorry, I was confused. So it opened up. It retest 253. Let me see how this look in the actual thing. 12. I put it out right there. So let's go back. Right here is when we was looking at it. No, there's no way. Why do this look different with there? What time? This is the daily. This is, oh, sorry, stupid. 12/19. 12/19. I'm bugging. I was wondering why this looked like this. All right, so 12/19. This was Friday. This is Friday. I dropped it here. So we were ideally wanting this. We was wanting it to open up, give us a 2 up, hit this target. We get in and then ride it down. But that's not what happened. It triggered that 2 down. So that was your actionable signal for the trade, and to take it to the targets of 238.21, 234.38, and 229. Let's see what it did. It went to our first target. So the first day out the gate, close to the target, boom, probably take profit. It signaled. It made a bear flag, a bigger bear flag. And even if you're not a pattern player or can't recognize those, and you just strictly play strat, it triggered a bearish Randy Jackson right here. So your next actionable signal, if you didn't hold it and swing it and let it ride, and you took your profits here, your next actionable signal would have been right here on this Randy Jackson. And then you take it down to what? The target, 234.38. Now, it didn't hit 229, but it sure enough hit that 234, which I was anticipating it hitting. So that's why I put it in there. It was just an easy play to rock that down from 244 to 234. That is a $10 move. Like, if you could just be patient with the play, you can, make the money. So Microsoft was a true banger. Let's look at AMT. So AMT, I think I was like bullish on this one, I believe. Yeah, because we was looking at the area to hold. That day, it pushed up with a nice hammer. Let's see what AMT did, because I haven't looked at it. AMT. Oh, well, so this is the day right here that I put it out. And it held the thing. So what I would say is this ticker most likely is going to continue. I can't say it for sure because I haven't looked at it. I'm just looking at what happened. So it held, but this is why these are swing plays. And you see that we rolled over a lot of plays because sometimes it doesn't play out the way it needs to play out. But it did hold. It bounced up the bounced up the broadening and held the level up. And even if we was right here, well, right here, 213, or you took it right here, 209. The highest you would have got is 216. That's still, you know, good profit. But to be honest, this was not a trade I would have took. I would just watch. Some trades is you just watch them. You watch it set up. So yeah, this price action is a little wonky. But you just watch. But that's why you get 4, because one of them is bound to, you know, take off. So what was the next one? AMT. Okay, MGM was the rollover. We rolled this over like 2-3 weeks in a row. And this one we were rolling over because we got the buy spot up here. We played it down to the 35, but I was telling you guys that MGM may continue to go and push for this monthly low for MGM. So we played this 3 weeks. 3 weeks, I think. So let's see what MGM played. The lowest down target was 29.20. Let's see what happened. MGM was a banger. It's slow, but it's a banger. Oh, it got, look at that. Look how close this came. So we got to 32.38. So this was our entry. And look at this. Wait, let me see. 32.28. I had, yeah, $32.06. I don't even know where I got that from. But we got 32.38, and it almost triggered, but y'all seen the market. The market was stalling. That's what I expected the market to do, to stall in a certain price area, so it sets up for the new year. But either way, nonetheless, this was a banging play. I was anticipating it to reach here and reach there, but it stalled right in the middle of the try. But nonetheless, it still did what it needed to do. So that was a banger. Microsoft and MGM. MGM, we kept rolling over. Let's see what Square did. Square was holding the monthly area. We rolled this over twice because we wanted to see, why would Square hold that area? Did it want to continue up the retest, or was it going to break? So this was one of those tickets where I was telling you, you play this ticker up or down. You know, this is not, sometimes I like to put up and down both sides, so you be prepared for whatever way the market is going. So let's look at Square. Oh my God, are you serious, Square? Y'all see what Square did? It held. So this would have been a ticker that you just keeping on watch, because it literally just holding. It looked like it was, you know, coming down because the market was coming down. But ideally, this ticker is not ready to come down. So actually, this is not a bad ticker to, you know, watch into the new year. I don't think I'll be watching it, but it's not bad to watch into the new year. We'll see. And then I just want to check on some other ones that I had put into some plays I just put into the this month in my subscription base. I just want to see what they did. What we had excess. Let's see what happened with that one. That one was a banger. So we did get it all the way up there, and it did come back down. So to retest this breakout. All right, that's interesting. And then we had, what one we had? OMF. I put O, but I meant OMF. All right, this one. Remember I was telling you guys, I was like, oh, this one, we played this down to here. We knew that it was going to trigger the 2 down. We knew it was going to hit the broadening, but I was telling you guys, I was like, this one could keep going. And it did. And I should have rolled it over, but it was just so far gone. Like, I don't like to, like, play. I like to watch it to see for a reversal versus an expansion. But I kind of knew this was an expansion because these solid white lines are a higher time frame, and the dashes are like weeklies or dailies. So it literally did exactly, if y'all go back into a recap of what I said on this ticker. And I just like to watch these just to see if it do what I thought it was going to do. And I think we had ball too. Let's just see. Right now I'm just seeing, we ain't rolled these over. Okay, so ball still just stayed in this area, and it didn't move. Okay, well, congrats to everybody that might have took the play and banked on it. I look forward to the new year, putting out weekly bangers, and let's get to it. Stay focused, stay true to the mission. Thank you guys.